Hello everyone, warm welcome in Emotion of Life. My name is Shyam Gupta. I am OCD therapist and senior psychologist. Emotion of Life is an online platform. We work exclusively on OCD recovery and cure program for last 2 decades with OCD client and have worked with thousands of recovered clients. Today I am going to share with you causes of obsessive compulsive disorder in human life. What we have seen and observed in our thousands of OCD recovered clients during their psychological assessment and during their need assessment, there are certain set of feeling and emotion most of the OCD sufferers have in their thought process and emotional level that make them vulnerable and suffering from OCD. And not addressing these feelings lead to continuous suffering and related issue with OCD. Major dominated feeling that most OCD sufferers carry like feeling of guilt, feeling of rejection, feeling of failure, feeling of extreme unsatisfaction in life, feeling of regret, stuck with unexpressed emotion, limitation of imitation of act uh, through their surrounding, especially in contamination OCD and religious OCD part. Let's discuss about these feeling. The first one is feeling of guilt. Usually, this feeling of guilt is related and associated with not achieving expected target in academic, professional life and married life and social life. Then comes feeling of rejection. It again related with either relationship, workplace, in their friend circle, and some negative comment in past by surrounded close one. Then third one, another dominated feeling we have seen as a feeling of failure, feeling like I have been failed in life as a person, as a parent, as a child, or in achieving my life goal, or like I could not give meaning to my life. So these feeling also predominantly dominate in OCD sufferer life. Feeling of is extreme unsatisfaction in life. That is another dominated feeling in a person with the OCD. Like related with work again, relationship with the spouse, family member, along with many a time related with individual performance by self, not getting dream job or work opportunity, not getting desired progress in terms of money and position, and continuing with such extreme unsatisfaction as emotion may lead to OCD suffering. Then the fourth feeling, feeling of regret, again related with work that they could not achieve certain label, career, and in relationship, and related with future and past mistake. It is very odd that not only past mistake, sometimes people also have the feeling of that they will make some mistake in future. That is especially found in checking and rechecking OCD. Stuck with unexpressed emotion like emotion of love, suppressed anger, resentment toward their near and dear one, imitation of act from their surroundings, especially in contamination OCD and religious OCD. Now let's talk about management part of different OCD. As a solution, we need to identify in which two or three major feeling dominated in individual life and where you have stuck. Then we need to list down all those related to negative feeling and emotion, and then need to work either with your family members, your mentor, or with a professional therapist for early and strategic recovery. It looked like next to impossible in OCD sufferer mind. Like they have always questioned whether they'll ever will be able to overcome their OCD or not. But trust those who have worked on their OCD issue in structured manner with the specialized OCD therapists, they have come out from this trap of OCD in prescribed timeline. Contrast to traditional approach of OCD recovery, our focus is always on obsessional thought pattern, not on compulsion. What we have seen, compulsion automatically starts settle down once we have better clarity on rigid obsessional thought and its work. Let's work together. We are always on your fingertips by Google Meet to make you able to live OCD free normal life like others with, and we carry the one tagline in our OCD recovery and program as 100 days, 100 session intervention. Thank you very much for being with us and watching while this video. Stay tuned for next video. Reach out to us in case of need or any question. Just to note, Emotion of Life is a paid and professional platform. Services carry a cost. Dial 936-850-3416. Visit our platform www.emotionoflife.in. Write to us on info@emotionoflife.in. We wish you all the very best for quicker and permanent recovery. along with the relapse management plan. Thank you very much once again. All the best.